What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a 10-minute haircut tutorial, so stay tuned. We're going to be starting off with our Anist outliners, creating our first guideline. Remember, you want to make your first guideline contour to the head shape just so you can have a burst on the taper. Now that we're done balding them out, we're moving on to our no guard all the way open, and we're following that same rainbow shape. Switching over to our one guard all the way open, we're creating our third guideline, and we're still following that curved shape using the corners. Remember, we're going to soften up the line with the one guard and then move on to the half guard and erase the line completely. Now that we're done with our lower guards, we're switching over to our two guard all the way open, and we're creating our fourth guideline. Remember, we're using the corners to follow that same curve shape. Now that the line is soft enough and we're done debulking, we can move on to the 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. Now we're moving on to the 3 guard all the way open, and we're debulking the sides. There was still a little bit of bulk, and I felt like the fade could have been a little bit smoother, so I went with my clip roll comb and debulked. Now we're moving on to the neckline. There is a lot of bulk right there on the edge, so I went with my 3 guard all the way open and debulked. I also went with my clip roll comb to make it as smooth as possible. Now that we're done with our clip roll comb, we can move on to our Anist outliners and make them as crispy as possible. I usually start off at the bottom and work our way to the top arch. Remember, when you reach the top arch, you want to not press as hard because the skin does get a little bit thinner, so you could nick them with your teeth. Moving on to the C-cups, we're starting off at the bottom and working our way to the top arch. We're also going to make sure we go slow enough that the hair feeds into the trimmer and it cuts properly. Here we're using a little bit of salicylic powder just so he doesn't bump up after we're done using the foil shaver to remove the stubble. Now that we're done lining him up, we're going to put in as much detail into the taper as possible. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, leave a comment down below if you made it this far into the video. I'm definitely going to reply. Moving on to our Turkish razor and Derby premium blades, we're going to make them as crispy as possible, and we're also going to be doing his eyebrows. A few tips on using the razor: you always want to make sure you lather the skin with shave gel, and then you use the razor at a 45-degree angle, stretching the skin as much as possible.